Hey guys, welcome to MacTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete your videos on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your videos on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is your profile icon available for us at the bottom right. Tap on that profile. And over here on this interface, you'll be able to find all of your videos over here, including your archives, your repost, your private tags, and your liked ones. But let's go back to the video section over here. Now in order to proceed to delete a video from over here, open up the video which you want to delete. Since I have not posted many videos, there aren't many video over here. And over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three dotted icon available for us just above the sound or the muted icon. There is a three dotted icon at the bottom right. Tap on there and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there are three lines of icons over here with bunch of options. And scroll the last or the third line to the very left, and you can see there will be the delete option available for us. Tap on the delete button over here, and then that video on your TikTok account will be deleted. And there guys, this is how to delete your TikTok videos. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.